Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you a quick way to leave a clan in PUBG Mobile. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know how to leave a clan. And let's get started with the video. First, open your PUBG Mobile app and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now, make sure you are on your main screen. So from the main screen, tap on the clan button. You have to tap on this arrow at the right side of your screen and simply go to the clan. As you can see, I have already gone to the clan. Once you are in the clan section, tap on your clan's profile to see the clan details. It will be right here. Otherwise, you can simply go to the information over here and all the members of the clan will be visible here. Once you are in this section, you can simply tap on leave clan and the PUBG Mobile will ask you to confirm if you want to leave the clan or not. Tap it and confirm your choice, and that's it. You have left your clan successfully. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.